Hello everyone, today we are going to see about total quality management. First we are going to see about the meaning and definition of quality. Quality of a person or a thing is defined as a characteristic, innate or acquired, which is in particular determines the nature and behavior of the person or a thing. The quality is nothing but it has synonyms like trait, character, feature, attribute, property, etc. In modern management, quality means everything that an organization does in the eyes of its customers is known as quality. In other words, we can say quality is a measure of the achievement of an organization. In short, it is widely accepted quality is nothing but a customer satisfaction. In related term, generally used with reference to the end use of a product. For example, the gear used in the sugarcane juice extracting machine may not possess good surface finish, tolerance, accuracy as compared with the one used in the headstock of the lathe. Yet it may be considered as having good quality. Quality should be aimed at the needs of the customer, present and future. According to C.D. Lewis, quality is an asset which may be offered to the potential customer of a product or service. And quality is the totality of features and characteristics of a product or service that bear on its ability to satisfy a given need. It has some characteristics. The various characteristics of quality are customer dependent, market attributed, fitness for use, degree of preference, dynamic and different, efficiency and performance, grade, conformity to requirements. Dynamic and different is nothing but quality is a dynamic, moving target. Goods or services must be improved over time as competitors improve. Market attribute is nothing but technical, psychological, time-based items, contractual, ethical. Technical is nothing but the length, frequency, diameter, viscosity. A company that wants to provide quality to a particular market, it must learn what attributes are important to that particular market. Quality can also be categorized on the basis on the criteria like time-based items, contractual, ethical, psychological. Psychological means the sensory qualities such as taste, odor and beauty. Time-based items are such as reliability, maintainability, life, etc. Contractual is nothing but the guarantee and safety. Ethical such as honesty, integrity and so on. Efficiency and performance of a quality is the quality of product operate efficiently in the target environment. It performs the task in an appropriate time frame while utilizing a reasonable amount of resources. Fitness for use is the components are said to possess good quality if they work well in the equipment for which they are meant. The quality is distinguishing feature or grade of a product in the appearance, performance, life, reliability, taste, odor and maintainability. Those are generally called as quality characteristics. Degree of preference. Quality is the degree to which a specified product is preferred over competing products of equivalent grade. This is based on comparative test by customers and is normally called customer preference. Conformity to requirements. Conformity to requirements is concerned with how well a product conforms to design and other specifications.